have 5 minutes to talk about my favorite hobby of all time, so wish me luck. Okay, commit to nature. Why am I saying dinosaurs? I don't know if you know this, but birds are in the same group that the T-Rex was in. Did you know that? No? Do you know what that bird is? Do you know that that's a bird? Yeah, okay. Anyone know what bird it is? Heron? Yeah, it's a tricolored heron. But yeah, I'm Ninni Victoria. I usually go by Victoria or just Ninni. I'm a senior developer at ark.no, which is what we say. But it's a bookstore in Norway. We're one of the larger e-commerce websites in Norway. You can find me on various social media, but that's actually my eBird username. So if anyone else is on eBird, add me. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so like, I think you've heard about like the loneliness epidemic, like we're so connected to each other, but we're so disconnected to each other. Like it's just, what? And somehow we're also like super disconnected from nature. There was recently a study published that, I'm gonna use some big words, like they triangulated data of something. But I used to study linguistics and I love languages, so all I care about from that study was that they looked at the use of words over time in literature. So they looked at words like blossoms or rivers or like all of these things about nature in a bunch of texts over the past 220 years maybe, and they saw a 60% decline in use of those words. And they triangulated that data, whatever that means, with how green the spaces outside are, et cetera, et cetera. I don't have a lot of time, but if you think that that was interesting, I will talk to you later if you want to, and I can send you the study. It's actually really cool. And this is also a heron, and it actually sounds like a dinosaur. It's the yellow-crowned night heron. It looks really huge. It's not very big. It's like this big. Has very short legs. It's very cute. So what can we do about being so disconnected from each other and to connect more with nature? Well, I'm a big fan of birding. We don't say bird watching anymore. That's like what Grandpa used to say. We say birding. It's more inclusive because bird watching is not about just watching. Like 90% of the time, you don't even see the bird. You just hear it. So it's listening, it's observing, it's birding. And all of those things, like just going outside in nature, reconnecting with the green that's outside and hearing all the cute little noises or the not so cute noises, actually reduces your stress, reduces your anxiety. It helps your depression if you are depressed like me. And there's really nothing bad about being outside in nature. And I need a purpose when I go outside, and that is birding. So I like to see everything that's outside. If there's a bird, I am there. This is a barred owl. It's a very sleepy dinosaur. So why am I talking about birds at a tech conference? Yeah, I don't know why. But I think birders and developers are basically the same thing. So when you're a birder, you need to be good at pattern recognition, patience, you need to have empathy. Maybe you'll have to think creatively of how are you gonna be able to actually find or see the bird that you're hearing. So yeah, same thing. Those are snowy egrets. They're actually very aggressive, by the way. Nature is actually open source though, so that's another connection to tech because, I mean, it's just there and it needs some help, so contributions are welcome. You don't need an experience to do birding, you can just go outside and look at birds. And if you happen to also just write down your observations, you can help save the planet. Those are tree sparrows, they're very loud. To do birding, you can go local or you can go global or stay local. That's in my neighborhood, so just open your window and go outside, please. Yeah, we're developers, we like apps, and there's so many apps, like you can use machine learning to find out what bird is waking you up in the morning. Just do that, yeah. So yeah, add birds to your life, improve your well-being, and if you want to learn more about birding or go birding with me today, here, outside, or tomorrow morning, come talk to me. Thank you.